In this video, I'm going to demonstrating using PostTrans within Excel to reassign my price bands for a group of customers within Sage Line 200. Of course, we can reassign group discounts and order value discounts in much the same way, which you'll also be seeing in this demonstration. So for a start, we're going to extract customer records into Excel, which is very easy using PostTrans. Edit those assignments, and we'll use in-cell searching to look up our names for our price bands, etc. And then we're going to just import simply the changes we've made to any customer information back into Sage Line 200. And of course, it's worth noting that PostTrans can be used for nominal journals, invoices, sales quotes, import all sorts of things, and manipulate all sorts of bits of data. It's quite feature rich in that it's got in-cell searching and lookups, etc. And of course, it also works with Sage Line 50, so the principle is very similar for that. So let's move on with a demonstration of how to do this in the software. Okay, so here we are in the latest version of Excel. And we can see here PostTrans has been installed into the toolbar, and it's given me a series of buttons here. Now I'm just going to press the Help button, which enables me to access all my example templates that come with PostTrans. Now I'm just going to scroll down, and you can see here we've got a whole section on pricing. Now in this video we're going to talk about reassigning customer price bands, so I'm just going to open the price band assignment template, and you can see here there's a whole series of tags put into row 1, which I might explain a little bit further on in the video, but for now let's just go with that. And basically these tags denote what's expected in each column and what PostTrans is going to read and write to those columns. So I'm just going to press now the extract button, and what we're going to do now is we can extract our customer information out of Sage Line 200. And of course we can filter that by various criteria. I'm not just going to bother, I'm just going to ask for everything, and you can see now it's just updated the spreadsheet. And you can see here Abbey Retail are on this group discount and this order value and the standard price band. So this is denoted by these 3 tags here. We can change the tags by pressing the tags button here. To reassign a price band we can use in-cell searching, which means we can type the start of a price band name and it will instantly connect to Sage 200 and look up that value. If I want to see the whole list, I just enter space and tab away, and there's all my group discounts. And of course, because it's in Excel, we can use copy and paste, or we could use a formula, or we could type in or use a VLOOKUP if we wish. And we can also change the order value discount. So it's really that simple to just change the values in the spreadsheet. So now let's look how simple it is to post back. Well, all we need to do is simply press the import button, and now it's showing the default values. It's going to push in because now what we're dealing with here is customer records. So if we were creating customer records, it's just pointing out the values it's going to use for any new records, but we're not creating any new ones, so that's quite okay. So let's press OK. There's another tip just popping up here, and we should now see 4 records updated. So if I scroll back to the top, we should now see against the records we changed updated. So the performance of the program is it only updates what records have changed. So just to prove that, if we look here, Cute and Cozy Kitchens or whatever they're called, they had nothing assigned to them. So now if I extract the data again, we should now see the changes I just made written back to the spreadsheet, just to prove that it edited those records. So I think you can see there how easy it is to edit and rearrange your data using PostTrans. If you're watching this video from YouTube, to go to our website, simply click on the link in the description below. If you're already on our website, you can scroll down slightly, and below this video you'll probably see some related links to associated articles. Let's just show you some of the resources on the website. Switch over, here's the home page. You can see here we have a series of menus at the top, and if you allow them to expand, you can see there all the different types of importation or extraction you can use with PostTrans and Sage, and also the transactions you can post. But importantly, there's a training section here. If we go to the training section, that describes in detail how to alter a PostTrans template using the tags that we briefly discussed in the demonstration. Also on the website is a blog which you can subscribe to, and I thoroughly recommend that, so then you can learn of new functionality and uses of PostTrans, because each of these articles maybe hones in on a particular function, a particular tag, or a particular way of using the product to do a particular job. For instance, expanding bill of materials on an order, code searching, protecting templates, importing CSV files, pricing, managing VAT, order currency, you name it, it's all in there. And that is easily accessible from the software itself. So if I switch back to a template, and this one's an order template, and I've just got the tag window open here on the right, but you'll see as I scroll down, this one here, TL description, which is the actual product description, actually has a blog article. So clicking on there takes me to that blog article and explains in great detail the implications of using that tag and the many different options, maybe in system setups, alters and behavior of that tag. So hopefully that will help. Also, we have the help button itself on the button bar, which takes you to kind of a context sensitive help, and also takes you to the training page, which explains how to manipulate and alter that template. And in addition to all that, of course, we have these blue help buttons here, which are easily accessible. They're also in the setup windows within PostTrans. So again, that takes you to a blog article. For instance, this one's about making the cursor follow a certain path. That will then take you to that article and explain how you customize that individual functionality. So there, I hope you've seen many different functions and online resources that we provided you to enable you to customize PostTrans to create a template to help you or your customers. So I thank you very much for watching this video.